Hello printer enthusiasts! Welcome to this video where we'll walk you through the simple steps of replacing the printhead and maintenance cartridge for your Canon PIXMA G3470 and Canon PIXMA G3430 series printer. If you're dealing with clogs, wear, or pesky malfunctions affecting your prints, this one's for you. I will start with the G3470, demonstrating how to replace the printhead color and the printhead black. Firstly, make sure your printer is powered on. That's step one. Easier, right? Then, find Maintenance using the left and right buttons and press OK. Select Start Replacement with the left and right buttons and hit OK. Time to open the top cover. Don't worry, we're taking it step by step. Pinch the tabs and open the printhead locking cover. Pull out the old printhead, making sure to shift it slightly towards you. It's out, easy as pie. Now, grab that shiny new printhead. Peel off the label gently and slide it into the correct holder. Color on the left, black on the right. Double-check that label to avoid any mix-ups. Close the printhead locking cover and push it down until it clicks. That's the sound of a successful printhead installation. And there you have it! Your Canon printer is geared up and ready to roll.